In the first video, we learned how to convert using an exchange rate, but we were always going from pounds into the other currency. So pounds to dollars, or pounds to euros, or pounds to rubles. Here, we're taking something that's starting in dollars and converting the other way back to pounds. Now, this is where our layout becomes super important. We always start with that same first step. £1, help if I could draw a dollar sign, converts to 1.37. So we're timesing by 1.37. That's the same layout we had last time, but this time I know that I have $800 and I'm trying to get back to the number of pounds. So that means I want to do the opposite of what I did up here. So here I times by 1.37. The opposite is to divide by 1.37. So now we can put that in the calculator and work out what we get. So getting my calculator out, pop it over here. We have 800 divided by 1.37. So that gives me 583.94. And I'm rounding, I'm just only keeping 2 decimal places because we're talking about money. And there is my new converted amount. So here, because we're working backwards, we're working back from dollars to pounds, we need to divide instead of to times. So have a go at your turn, pause the video, have a go, and I will run through that in just a moment. Great, so hopefully you've had a go. Same layout as what I used, so £1 times 1.37 gives us our dollars, so that is $1.37. We are working backwards from $20, so we're going the opposite way, so we are dividing by 1.37 here. Get my calculator out, then we're doing 20 divided by 1.37. That gives us, I'm just looking at what we got on our calculator, 14 point. Now, if you wrote down 59 for your answer, that's you've got the right answer. You just have to think about your rounding because the next digit was 8. So 59 rounds up to 60 pence. So £14 and 60 pence. Great. Now, do one more of those just so you've got 2 examples to work with. This one we're converting 30 euros to pounds, and our exchange rate is £1 to 1.13 euros. So £1 goes to 1.13 euros. So we are timesing by 1.13. Going backwards, we are taking 30 euros, and we're going backwards, so we are dividing by 1.13. Again, just a bit of calculator work left. So getting that calculator out, we are doing 30 divided by 1.13, which should give you, in pounds, £26.55. Have a go, last your turn, and I'll run through that. If you just pause, I'll run through that in a moment. Okay, so running through that one, we have £1 still going to €1.13, 1.13 euros, timesing by 1.13 up there. We're taking 120.50. We're going the opposite way, so we're dividing. And then we've just got some calculator work. So we're doing 120.50. We're dividing it by 1.13, which gives us £106.64 if you rounded it. But if you wrote 0.63, that's just a little rounding error. So that should give you the tools you need to do the questions that I have set for this second task.